we're gonna do a experiment. So first, I'm gonna tell you what the name of the stuff that I have that was a part of this experiment. First, we have vinegar, 2 empty water bottles, and full coloring, which is we're gonna use this color. Next, we have baking soda, a spoon, a scissor, and a tape. That's all the ingredients we have here. So today we're going to go start and have some fun. So first we're going to start with this bottle. We're going to put it right on that. So let's go ahead and open this. So excited. It's going to be funny. So my mom is going to turn it. Alright, we stop right there. Then we did that. Just close and make sure it's tight so it doesn't spill. Next, we're gonna do is put the food coloring inside here. It's gonna take 4 drops to put inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you put 4 drops inside, all you just do is mix it, and that's how it gets red. It changes the color, right? So we're gonna leave that right there. Next, we're gonna put three baking soda, drops of baking soda inside the cup. So it doesn't spill. Put this right here. It's kind of soapy. So we put one in there. Last one is 3. So we put 3 spoons of baking soda. Next, we're gonna do